Today is a day of great joy and happiness for our congregation, as five of our voices, Elmoris Diakshan, Patricia Nopri, Merciful Kasimi, Ivan Krishna and Muslim Shamori, having accepted after receiving their blessing. It is the duty of every consecrated person to spread the unconditional love of God among His people, expressing their
God, magpagulong yung kailangan, babahay nito, kinawis ipo.
Panay, nabalitin din ng mga lifestyle sa Panay.
Not yet gone out, and Samuel was lying down in the temple of the Lord, where the ark of God was. Then the Lord called, Samuel, Samuel, and he said, Here I am. And ran to Eli and said, Here I am.
But Ganandon Hau Namar Mandonga
For the altar, then Aaron descended to offer themselves to the Lord, Sipui Kasimi. Ivan Krishna Lindo. Augustine Shamroy.
In advance with the constitution of medical sisters of Saint Joseph.
the Bishop, the name
May the Almighty all fathers who have come today My dear sisters,
Ang sinupulog sa iking.
Nagkakapit lang sa bar mapra, nakalandig niya.
Father, desirous of dedicating myself totally to your service and upholding my life after the model of the life of Christ, I, Sister Smith Shamoy, who am in the presence of my provincial superior, Sister Clemency, to practice the evangelical counsels of obedience, chastity, and poverty for 1 year, according to the constitution of the Medical Sisters of St. Joseph. I hereby dedicate myself completely to your service and pray that you may deign to receive the offering of your handmaid. May I seek and find fulfillment of love in the service of God and His Church with the blessings of the Holy Spirit.
Strengthen you with his power and guide your steps with his light till you attain the fullness of life in him.
May the constitution of the congregation Putrai, Banten Kelang Kegating
Bishop Wilbert Marway, who has encouraged us to move forward in our life, trusting in the providence of God. Thank you so much, Bishop, for your concern and for all the prayerful support we have received from
Daymati ulangi asuman bagundang berbiang ini nadong syakan kantam ye ya kajiki jompi kabala nadu